sit there, baby. Come and grab my body.
Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. This is an update of my ugu fertilizer. This is just 1 week after I applied the liquid fertilizer, and that was, I applied it 3 times a week. Guys, look at how transformed these plants are. This is the okra, and it's already fruiting. Can you see that? It is already fruiting. Hey. It shook. Even me, I'm shocked. Some of this, I made a mistake while planting this particular blue in this block bucket. I should have put something like a drain, but I will get to fix that somehow. The beans are also doing very well. The peppers are doing well. Some plants, because there are so many, some are not getting as much sunlight as they are supposed to. The tomatoes are also not doing badly. Look at that ugu leaf. Now look at how this tomatoes has turned green, and then this okra is, the leaves are so big now. Can you just imagine the space of 1 week? Look how these new leaves have developed, all because of the fertilizer. As much as the leaves have not completely turned green, but they've grown significantly in just a space of 1 month. And I think I'm loving this liquid fertilizer, guys. So don't throw your food scraps away if you have some at home, and if you're gardening. Instead of using chemicals, it's healthier for you to use your food scraps or organic fertilizer. I'll also be supplementing the organic fertilizer with cow dung or chicken poo, something of that nature. So guys, I hope this video is able to help you. My name is Oge, by the way, guys. And I vlog about healthy living, arts, crafts, recipes, and general modest lifestyle, cutting costs and living on a modest living on a budget, or living a modest lifestyle. If you like those kinds of content or these kinds of content, please subscribe to my channel and then give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Be sure to drop your comments below. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Until I see you next time, don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified anytime I share a new post, guys. I'll see you in another video. Bye.